Ever yawn just hearing someone else yawn, without even seeing them? It's real. Yawning is contagious not just visually but also audibly. Studies show that hearing a yawn, even over the phone or through audio, can trigger one. It's called social yawning, and is deeply connected to empathy and brain mirroring systems. The sound activates parts of your brain linked to imitation and emotional connection. Even thinking about yawning or reading the word yawn might make you do it. Go ahead, try not to. Interestingly, people are more likely to catch yawns from close friends or family, showing it may help strengthen social bonds. Some scientists believe yawning cools the brain and helps with alertness. Whatever the reason, your body's doing it whether you want to or not. Want to know amazing facts? Subscribe for more.